Being an avid Camaro fan, you probably know finding a cool second gen isn't all that hard. But the chances of scoring a nice early build Z28 seem almost as likely as purchasing a winning lottery ticket. Believed to have traveled less than 50,000 miles in its first 50 years, the storied Panther has benefited from careful restoration that focused on general wear and tear. Naturally correct shadow gray two-stage lurks beneath attractive rally stripes. And today, this Chevy rolls as an exclusive homage to 5 decades of both passionate enthusiast and winning pony car history. Open the long doors and you'll find a correct interior that features many original-looking components. There's a quartet of cloth buckets that are familiar Z28 details. A silver-trimmed dash hangs a Delco AM radio under Z28 specific gauges. To the right of the driver is a chrome Hurst shifter, and the driver takes command through an RS-branded steering wheel. Benefiting from a thorough rebuild, the 350 cubic inch LT1 under the hood wears its correct casting number and matching partial VIN, and a correct Muncie 4-speed sends power back to a 12-bolt rear. One of Detroit's best combinations of performance and style, early second-generation Camaros present an excellent opportunity for savvy enthusiasts. And because of their cool aesthetics, split bumper cars are some of the most desirable. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.